Hello friends! In this video, I want to show you what a false side panel for a drawer means. If we have a cabinet like this, it could be big or tall, but I made a small cabinet on purpose so you can clearly see how the false side panel works. For now, how it works for us. Now we're going to make the top of the drawer transparent, and here's how we do it. We go in, click here, then click here, then here. Well, here and there you go. We select the top and that's it. Everything's fine. Our top is now transparent. So we click on the door and open it. We select the drawer, then carefully insert it here and go into the drawer. After that, we select the number of drawers. Now I'll also go ahead and set it to 30 fronts, just like before. I got this particular type of drawer with a front panel, so it would be a bit easier to open. But as you can see, the drawer actually touches the hinge. The doors will open, but you won't be able to open the drawer in this case. So what can we do? To avoid touching the hinges, I think what we have here is if we go into the drawer, a drawer setback of 75 millimeters, right? Here you go. I moved it back by 75 millimeters, which is a fairly significant adjustment, and as you can see here, it no longer touches the hinge at all. In fact, it has clearly moved away from the hinge, creating a visible gap between the two components. But even with this change, when we open it, it will still end up touching the hinge. However, to address this issue, we have a solution, a false side panel specifically designed for the drawers. We enable this feature, and then, to activate it, we simply click here. There's the left side, so we select the left side. Yes, here we have the drawer and select the left side, and you can see what we get. This is the situation. There are two rails and one additional side panel where the drawer itself is attached with its runners. And as you can see, if we open it like this, it won't touch the hinges at all. In addition, this function has another option. You can change the size here. For example, 50 millimeters. And as you can see, the configuration changes and it becomes like this. And here is the drilling process. And of course, everything is carefully and thoroughly set up for the drilling machines. Each program generates a dedicated program for this part and for the side panels, so you get this version. But if we now copy this drawer and move it to the right side, we need to go in here because our command was originally created for the left side. The command was specifically for the drawer, so as long as I have the drawer, this will be the right side. See, here it is, so it moves over and everything is fine. For design purposes as well, if this option works for you, you can make it even bigger, for example 70, or you might have a double-sided one. Here's a false side panel for the drawer. If we click like this on both sides, for example, you see there's this option available. If we look from above, we only need one side. As you can see, everything is fine. Basically, I think you understand very well how all of this works and how it should be. With that, I'm finishing this video and saying goodbye to you. I'm saying goodbye to you.